One of the reasons why we have kick-off is to set the direction para mabura lahat ng doubts, para mabura lahat ng questions. All you need to do is to believe.
I'm not here to convince you. I'm not here para i-mindset kayo. My job is to help you and to support you. Bakit namin ginagawa to? To jumpstart. Para yung pag-umpisa mo, malayo ka agad ang mararating mo.
Natutuwa po ako na merong ganitong klaseng organisasyon. Iti-treasure po namin ito. Sana po gawin natin ito taon-taon.
We believe that every day is a new beginning, a new opportunity to build again, work harder, and do better than how we did yesterday. Kahit mahirap, naniniwala tayo na gaganda at makukuha din natin yung mga pangarap natin eventually.
Resilience, the anniversary.
Our Miss iGlow 2023 is candidate number 3!
Ang sekreto sa success, para sumute up ka, meron kang pinapaliwalaan sa sarili mo, stick ka doon.
For the past few months, we've been trying to launch our super app, and finally, it is today. We are introducing Alpha East Franchise Corporation.
The first brand concept of AEFC. We call this matching.
2940
Tudong!
Instant Millionaire.
Ang vision niyo, pag nakita niyo, sabayan niyo pa ng aksyon, believe me, result, money will always follow. Yung mga imposibilidad sa ibang tao, because of AIM Global, lahat magiging posible. Just be passionate.
Live the life that you deserve. In Empowered Consumerism, lahat naman nandito. Kasama namin, magbabago ang buhay. Steadfast, hindi ka pababayaan. Dadalhin at dadalhin ka sa mga pangarap mo.
You will be a powerful dragon that will achieve your dreams and success every day.